Hi, I'm very glad to be here. Now I will show you how to assemble this keyboard with the parts. There are 5 parts: front panel, keys, silicon, PCB, back panel. First, put keys into the panel one by one. Second, cover the keys with silicon. And then PCB board. And then the back panel. Okay, please remember, tighten the screw. Okay, here we go. Now you can see this keyboard has 12 keys. The whole panel's dimension is 88mm and 102mm. The installation way that you can put this first in screw into your equipment. That's okay. Thank you.